honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Okay, so we have more signs that I want to kind of alter a little bit. It's going to be a very quick and simple tutorial. I'm not really going to do much to these signs except add a few things here and there, but I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along so that you can see what I'm doing. Before we get to that, I want to show you what I did on some signs that I have here. So I had this sign and I kind of altered it a little bit by adding a cute little starfish, which I added acrylic paint to it, and I will link the color of the paint at the bottom of this video if you guys want to know. I also added a nice little seashell right here that I watercolored in. I have another one here which is almost the same. I added only starfish to this one, which I thought it was actually very, very pretty. Okay, I have this one that I just added some seashells to it, and I really love the way these seashells came out. They look so like original and real. I added actually watercolor to this seashell, and I just kind of gave it a little bit of definition with a different tone of color, and that's how you see that little line right there. That's what that is. The seashell that I'm using is the one from the Dollar Tree that comes like this. Okay, it comes in this simple wooden color, and I love the way it turned out. I love it. I wish I would have did a tutorial on how these came out, because I think that would have been a good idea. But I think that I don't know, if you guys want me to show you how I got these details on the seashell, let me know and I'll do a quick video for you guys. But I really love how they turned out. It didn't dawn on me to make a video while I was doing these seashells. I don't even know why, but anyway, so here's another one that we did. I love this with the little seashell and then the little starfish. And then I have these that I also picked up. These were just simple little signs. All I did was I added 2 starfish at the end of the sign. I didn't even color in the starfish. I left it the same color that it comes in. I thought it was really pretty. And then I have this sign, which is almost the same, and I added 2 seashells at the end. So these signs really turned out really, really, really pretty. I really am super happy how they turned out. I have all my signs already done, and this was the last one that I needed to kind of fix or altered a little. And so I'm going to show you guys a really quick and fast way on how I'm going to alter it. So I colored these really fun dolphins in different tones of blue. And I think what I want to do is I want to add a dolphin to each one of these signs. The dolphins come like this from the Dollar Tree. And that's what I think I'm going to do. So let me show you. Really quickly how I'm going to alter these signs. There's actually 3 different signs in here. So the first one we're going to do is this one right here. And what I want to do is I'm just going to add 2 dolphins on each side. So 1 dolphin here and 1 dolphin here. That's literally all I'm going to do. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a lot of dolphins because I have a lot of dolphin left over, and so that's what I'm going to use. I'm very excited to show you guys the next tutorial that we're going to do. I am so excited. I really love the way that sign that we're going to do turned out. And I hope that you guys like it as well. All right. Maybe I'll give you like a sneak peek at the end of this video to show you how it looks. All right, that's one done. Let's put this one on the side. This one says sea of the day. I like this one. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna add these maybe like that on this end. Or maybe we could add it down here in the middle of these two, in the middle of the seashell. We can add one here and one here. Actually, I like that. I'm gonna leave it at that. I like that. Okay, and that's it. I could add like a starfish, but I think I'm just going to keep it very simple. I was thinking of also adding maybe like a nice little bow on the tail of the dolphin. I was thinking of doing that also. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. I think I'm going to keep it like that. Yeah, I'm going to keep it like that. Okay. The other sign that I have is this one, and so I think I have an idea with this one. I think I'm gonna put one here. I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna put one here. And maybe it would be nice if I could go around, right? Maybe one here. Maybe this one. I don't know. Is that too much? I think it's too much. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do here and here. Okay. I don't want to go too crazy. I think that's nice. Simple, but it's nice. See, I don't want to go too crazy with these. I think we could probably make some cupcake liners out of this. So what I'm going to do with these leftovers is I'm going to make some cupcake liners. I'm going to do the same thing I did with the Seahorse cupcake liners that we did on our last video. I'll probably do the same thing with these 4 right here. All right, I don't want to put too much on the sign because I really love the way the sign is. I think it's so pretty and simple, and I don't want to like make it too busy, right? So that's basically what I did. I didn't want to do too much of anything. I was thinking of maybe putting like a starfish right in the center of this starfish. I mean, we could do that if we really wanted to. Let's see. Yeah, we could do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add that starfish right there in the center. of the starfish in the bottom. And that's literally all I'm going to do for these signs. All right. So we got this one here. And then you got this one here. And then we did this one right here. Very simple. Very, 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 very simple. But I like it. I like the way it looks. All right. Very short video. I know. Simple, easy, short, to the point. I love it. I love you all. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what we're going to be doing next. Okay? So I'm very, very excited to show you guys because I think that I just love the way this turned out. I'm going to show you guys how to make this canvas right here on our next video. All right, my loves? So if you guys are excited to see how I make this tutorial, you're going to love and find out how easy it is to create this canvas. All right, my love? You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to know how to paint. I have no clue on painting. I have no clue on watercoloring, but I was able to make this sign and I love the way it turned out. I have other ones that I have that I want to show you on the next video. I just wanted to give you like a little sneak peek. All right? I love you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you subscribe, you thumbs up, make sure you share. I want to thank you so much for returning, and I want to thank you so much for your beautiful comments. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.